In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register a payment in Odoo, a powerful tool for managing your business finances efficiently. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can seamlessly handle customer invoices or vendor bills with confidence and accuracy. To get started, you'll want to navigate to either the accounting or invoicing app within Odoo. These apps are specifically designed to help streamline your financial operations. Once you're there, the next thing you'll need to do is open the specific customer invoice or vendor bill that you wish to pay. Be sure to double-check that the invoice or bill is in the posted state. This step is crucial, as registering a payment requires that the invoice is already posted. If it's not posted, you'll need to complete that step first before proceeding. With your invoice in the right state, look for the option to register payment. Clicking this button will prompt a pop-up window to appear. This is where you'll enter the details of your payment. Here's what you need to fill out. Start by selecting the journal. This usually refers to the account through which you're making the payment, such as your bank account. If you have a preferred payment method set in your contact settings, you may notice that it pre-fills automatically, making this step even easier. Next, enter the payment date, ensuring it reflects the day the payment is being made. Accurate dates are important for your records and for reconciliation purposes later on. Then, specify the amount you wish to pay. Depending on your situation, you might be covering the full amount or just a partial payment. If you're only making a partial payment, Odoo provides you with some options. You can choose to keep the invoice open, meaning it will remain partially unpaid. Alternatively, you can mark it as fully paid, which automatically makes an adjustment entry to account for the remaining balance. Additionally, there's an option to leave a memo. This is purely optional, but can be quite useful for leaving notes or reminders related to the payment or the invoice. After filling out all necessary details and double-checking for accuracy, you're ready to submit. Click on Create Payment. This action registers your payment and changes the status of the invoice to In Payment. It's a clear indicator of movement towards settling the outstanding balance. Finally, once the payment is reconciled against a bank transaction, the invoice status will update to paid. This reconciliation ensures that your financial records reflect reality and maintains an accurate accounting of all transactions. And that's it. You've successfully registered a payment in Odoo, streamlining your financial processes and keeping your business running smoothly.